Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GMX Perpetuals using Arbitrum wallet step by step clearly. To enable GMX Perpetuals using Arbitrum wallets, start by visiting the official GMX website. Ensure you have an Arbitrum compatible wallet ready for use. If you don't have an Arbitrum wallet, create one using MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once your wallet is set up, fund it with Ethereum or another supported token. After funding, navigate to your wallet interface and switch to the Arbitrum network. You can do this by selecting the network option within your wallet settings. Next, go to the GMX platform. Connect your Arbitrum wallet by clicking on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to complete the wallet connection. Once connected, locate the Perpetuals feature on the GMX interface. Select the trading pair you wish to use for Perpetuals. Review the leverage options available for the chosen trading pair. After selecting your leverage, input the amount you wish to trade. Confirm the details and click on the Open Position button. Pay attention to any transaction fees displayed. Authorize the transaction through your wallet when prompted. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, you'll see your perpetual position reflected in your GMX account. Monitor your position regularly to manage risks effectively. This concludes the process for enabling GMX Perpetuals using Arbitrum wallets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.